And what's up there, YouTube? Stampede Valkyrie coming at you again on this lovely early September Saturday evening, afternoon. What I've got here, well, you take a guess. What does that look like to you? You would be correct in assuming it's a Model 14, Federal Model 14, but it's not. I would say that this is probably a Model 14 clone, mostly because everything but, and if I get a better picture in here, as you can see, that's definitely not Federal guts, but the inside of that there is definitely looking code 3-ish. Could be signal stat Dietz, but everything else is Federal. So who makes this light? Let's find out, shall we? Let's zoom in there. And we've got an Arrow model, as soon as my camera pans out here, 530. So what we've got here is what I like to call a Model 14 clone. The original dome on this is not on this light. It was another amber F2 light, or F2 dome, which is what's on here now. It just was a lot more fogged up. I threw one of my spare amber F2 domes that I'd done a little bit of work to, so that way you could at least see the inside of the light. But in a nutshell, here's my little quickie video. I'm going to fire this guy up and take a look at it. Tell me what you think. Another recent find. Finds have been very scarce here, especially considering the whole fun times, I'll leave it at that, of 2020. But again, it's an Arrow Model 530. Literally, I'm going to call it a Model 14 clone. Minus the guts not being a Model 14 light, everything else is. The dome, the bands, the base, it's all interswappable. I've checked them with the other one. So I honestly think that Arrow probably licensed the Model 14, or at least parts of it, and then threw it together in a dome and used other guts or other internals in order to make this work. Somebody probably can confirm this or deny it one way or the other in the comments, but that's my guess, educated guess. Arrow is not a really well-known lighting company, and they weren't really well known for making a lot of unique lights. Everything they had was kind of borrowed from another manufacturer. And they still do make lights now. I believe Arrow is actually still in business. But in this instance here, I believe the motor has a date of May 17th, 1978. And the SAE tag on their little nameplate, I believe, reads 73. I think that's 73. So, it's not real loud. A little chatty, but nothing that crazy. But there it is. That's my quickie. Shows people out there I'm still alive and kicking. Hopefully everything's good with you guys out there, you ladies out there as well, and you stay safe and stay healthy.